Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Pod with Printify for US fulfillment, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to Printify for US fulfillment, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, click on the Apps section in the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, select Visit Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to type in Printify and press Enter. Locate the Printify app from the search results and click on it. On the Printify app page, click on the Add App button to begin installation. You may be prompted to authorize Printify to access your Shopify store. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. After installation, you'll be redirected to the Printify dashboard. If you don't have a Printify account, create one by filling in the necessary information. Once your account is set up, navigate to the My Store section in Printify. Click on Add New Store and select Shopify from the options. You will need to log into your Shopify account again to link the two platforms. After logging in, allow Printify to manage your store by granting the necessary permissions. Once connected, you'll see your Shopify store listed in your Printify account. Now, browse through Printify's catalog to find products you want to sell. Select a product and customize it according to your design preferences. Set your pricing, taking into account Printify's base cost. After finalizing your product, click on Publish to make it available in your Shopify store. Return to your Shopify account and check the Products section to confirm that the new items are listed. You can adjust product details or descriptions further in Shopify if needed. At this point, your Shopify store is set up with Printify for pod fulfillment. To manage orders, go back to Printify and connect to your preferred printing locations in the US. You're now ready to start selling your customized products online. Keep an eye on your orders through both Shopify and Printify to ensure a smooth fulfillment process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.